What?
A clue! Right there!
I can't hear you.
A clue!
What'd you say?
A clue!
Oh my gosh, that really hurts my ears. But remember, only if you see a clue.
A clue!
A clue! There's a clue on this word. Scream!
Explosion.
Whoa, did you see the clue? Why you didn't say anything? Oh, well, now that we have our second clue, we need our handy dandy notebook. Right. So our second clue is the word scream.
Explosion.
To write the word scream,
Explosion.
we write S-C-R-E-A-M. There, that's spelled scream.
Explosion.